In this video, we are going to be assembling the 5-tier twill mesh rack in the color silver from the company Cozzine. We'll begin with taking out all the parts and the pieces that came with the box. We'll get rid of the box first, and then here's everything that comes inside the box. The rods that go on the side, the connectors and the stoppers in the feet of the rack, and then we have the instructions manual as well. So we're going to begin with taking one of the rods and putting the feet at the bottom. These can be adjusted later on so that everything is even and at the same level. And we'll take one of these connectors and we'll be putting these onto the rod. And they kind of snap together in place. So we'll put them on the rod, and then the indents on the rod help you as a guide to where to put them, and that also helps to make sure that you put them in the same spot on all the different rods. So we'll begin with putting 4 of them on at the same spot on 4 of the rods. Once we're done with that, we'll take one of the shelves and push it onto the rod and onto the connector so that it's aligned with the bottom of the connector and kind of held in place. We'll do the same with the rest of the rods. So we're just putting on the remaining 3 rods so that one of the shelves is set up, and then we can continue building it upwards. So you can adjust these feet to make sure that the shelving system is aligned and leveled and all the feet are touching the ground evenly. We're then going to take the second set of rods and connect it with the first one that we assembled. We'll repeat the step with all the 4 rods, and then we'll slide on the connectors again, snap them in place to install another one of the shelves. Now, as you're putting them together, if you need to realign the connectors, move them up or down a little bit, it's very easy to do, as you can see here. We're just making sure it all snaps into place and is locked in. And then we just continue the process with the remaining of the shelves. Repeat that. And here's what it looks like when it's all assembled. So there you go.